The ghost thing is something I didn't really have a lot of cause to think about before I bought the building. Sort of inherited its haunted reputation and the fact that it's like a place that people come for encounters with the numinous, you know? So at this point, I've run out of coffee. But you know how on like sitcoms, they're always using like empty cups, and you can tell that they're empty. For continuity's sake, I have to keep holding my emotional support mug, but there's nothing in it.
Why don't you turn that upside down?